Hello everyone, welcome to Emmanuel Tutorials. Today we'll be seeing how to make basic shapes in Figma. This is a UI designing tool where you can design web screens as well as mobile screens and other device screens also. So let's start. For making shapes, you'll have to press Shape Tools from this toolbar, and first we'll try the rectangle. So for drawing the rectangle, you'll have to press the cursor and if you just double click, you will have a square which will be made. If you press it and pull it slightly, you can make a rectangle. Now the dimensions can be changed over here in the design window. So here you can change the width or the height of the rectangle. You can also change the color by giving it in the fill section. So you can give a red. You can also change the transparency of the red or maroon color by pulling this. Now if you want to make a square, so a square can also be made by double clicking it this way, or we can also make a square by pressing the shift key and dragging the cursor. So this way your height and width will remain the same. So you can observe the height and width is the same. So as long as you pull it, it will have the same dimensions. Now you can see that this icon has got enabled. It means these are fixed. So if you change the dimension of the height, similarly the dimension of the width also will change, or the measure will change. Now let's try another one, which is the line. The line is similar. Again, you can just draw lines. If you want a slant line, you can draw it just by dragging it in whatever direction you want. Or if you want a straight line, again you select the line icon and press shift and drag the cursor. So you get a straight line. If you want a vertical line, you will drag the cursor in that direction. Similarly, here too you can change the color by changing the stroke value. So here we can keep it blue or any other color you want. Next is the arrow. Arrow is very similar to the line. So you just drag the cursor by pressing the shift key, you get a straight arrow. If you want a slant arrow, you just point it to the direction you want. So you can see that this looks like it is pointing to the square over here. So if you have some diagram where you want to show that this is pointing to a square, you can write the label. This way you can give labels to the parts of the image or wherever you are pointing this arrow to. Next we'll try the ellipse. ellipse, again you can just drag the cursor in whatever direction you want. So you can make an elliptical shape, or you can also make a circle, because an ellipse which has both equal height and width will be a circle. So this is an ellipse. Now we'll try for a circle. For a circle, you'll have to press the shift key. So here you can observe that height and width are equal. Now next, we'll try the polygon. Polygon will give you a shape with multiple sides. So it will be more than 3. So first, when you try drawing the polygon, it will be default a triangle. So again here too you can make a shape with equal sides by pressing the shift key. Now if you want to increase the number of sides of this polygon, you have this field in the design window where you can give the count. So if I make it 4, this will become a rhombus shape. If you make it 5, it will become a pentagon. Similarly 6 and 7 and so on. So this way you can customize your shape. Now next, we'll try the star. Star is again the same thing. If you just drag it, it will give you a shape with unequal sides. But if you want one with equal sides, then you will have to press shift. Now next, this is for place image. If you want to place an image here, then you press the place image and you drag the cursor here, then you will get an option to upload the image which you want in this area. So in this video we saw how we can draw different shapes. So here we saw the rectangle first, then we saw the line, then we saw arrow, then we saw the ellipse, then we saw the polygon, and then at last we saw the star. In this way you can make different shapes. Also we have seen how to color the shapes, and also you can give an outline to your shapes by giving a stroke to it. So here it is black, you can make it green. Now you can see that its visibility is low, so we'll increase the stroke. Let's make it 5. So here you can see, you can give a stroke. You can also give shadow effects. So this way it looks like your shape is coming up on the screen. And also the shape, color and blur can be changed, and the direction too can be changed. So thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. If you have any doubts related to this, you could mention it in the comments below. And if you want more of such videos or any other kind of videos, please let us know. Please like, share and subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials for more. Thank you.